What's up guys? Today I'm going to be installing running boards on my 2024 Toyota Tundra. I've been meaning to do this for a while and I've finally been able to get my hands on a nice set of running boards from DeeZee Manufacturing. The ones that I'm going to be installing are their NXT running boards. I'll put the model on the screen and I'll also link them in the description if you're interested in checking them out. If you've seen any other of my videos, you know that I also have the DeeZee Manufacturing Guardian tonneau cover on my truck and absolutely love it. So I'm excited to also get my hands on a set of their running boards, get them installed, and see how they perform. Now I know people have a love-hate relationship with running boards. Some say it makes the truck look better, some say it makes it look worse, some like the function, some don't. Personally, I'm excited to see how they look on my truck because I have everything set up pretty much the way I want it right now. And I do need the functionality of running boards and or steps because I do have young kids and my wife has been wanting me to put running boards on. So I'm excited to finally get some installed and show you guys what they're all about. So let's jump right into getting these things unboxed and installed, and I'll give you guys my honest thoughts and an overview of the product along the way. So the product itself arrived in two separate boxes, the first box containing the steps itself and the second box containing the hardware to install them on the truck. So my assumption is that the steps are consistent across the board regardless of what model of truck you have, but the hardware and installation process will differ slightly, and that is outlined very simply in the instruction manual provided. Here's a nice look at the products out of the box. The installation process overall was super easy and straightforward. Here's the underside of my Toyota Tundra. So for the Tundra, you're actually using existing bolts on the bottom of the truck. I'm pointing out those locations here. So the hardware provided as far as the bolts go are not even used in this installation process. So I unratchet the existing bolts on the truck as I am doing here, and then take the brackets provided by DeeZee, install them. So once all three are installed, this is what that looks like. And the underside of the steps have existing bolts in the channels, so if you space them out properly, you should actually just be able to flip it over, position it on the mounted brackets, line it up how you want with the contour of the truck, tighten everything down, and there you have some installed running boards.
There will be a time.
So the boards are fully installed and I'm loving the way that they look. Between the textured black finish and the tapered edges, I love that Raptor inspired style running board, and I think that this definitely fits the bill for my Tundra. They stick out enough to be just inside the outermost part of my tires, but still provide ample foot room to step in and out of the truck. So I think the fitment and the positioning of these and the size they are is perfect for what I wanted. The rubber grips on these, that by the way also all have the DeeZee logo on them, which is pretty cool. Feel like they're going to provide a great grip for stepping in and out of the truck, even if they were to get wet or icy in the Minnesota winter here. They also feel super sturdy, even though they are pretty lightweight when installing, and the construction, having a warranty on them from DeeZee, as well as the weight capacity they're rated for, makes it plenty great for what I need to use them for and for me and my family. I'm excited to start getting some use out of these, and I'll report back on how they hold up over time and how I continue to like or dislike them as they're on my truck for everyday use. It's been about 8 months of having this truck where I've had to fully heave myself into the vehicle without steps, which is fine. But I know my wife and loading the kids was getting pretty tired of it, so it's going to be really nice to have this step here now for an easy step down and into the truck for everybody, family, guests. And I have no concerns with the construction or sturdiness of these. You can see they're pretty great. So I hope that this video, one, helped somebody out there know how to install running boards on their Tundra and find the right spots to bolt them to the underside of the truck. And two, if you like this model specifically from DeeZee, I will put the model name on the screen as well as the link in the description and the comments so you know where to go. And they also have an array of other options and running boards for all the different truck models out there. If you don't specifically like this model, but you like the company like I do and you want to support their business. As always, feel free to leave comments or questions down below. I try to be pretty responsive, so I will respond as I am able to. Otherwise, thank you guys for watching. I appreciate every single one of you, and I'll see you in the next one.
Feeling like a fool again, thinking I can fool myself by telling me lies. When there's so many things that I keep in my mind, I hang around people I don't even like. If they can be happy and walk with a smile.